Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a circle with wool. First, gather your essential materials: wool roving, a sharp felting needle, and a sturdy foam mat. Ensure your workspace is clean and flat. Next, select the colors of wool you wish to use for your project. Preparing your wool beforehand makes the shaping process much smoother and more enjoyable. To begin forming your circle, take a small, manageable amount of wool roving. Gently roll this wool between your palms to create a loose, fluffy ball. Place this wool ball directly onto your foam mat. Now, using your felting needle, start to gently poke the outer edges of the wool inward, gradually coaxing it into a basic circular shape. Now it is time to felt the wool for firmness. Hold your felting needle vertically and repeatedly poke the wool, compacting the fibers together. Work systematically around the entire circle, ensuring you maintain an even thickness throughout. Continue this felting process until the wool feels dense and firm, and it can hold its perfectly circular shape without collapsing. For the final touches, carefully inspect your wool circle for any uneven spots or stray fibers. Gently poke these areas with your needle to smooth them out. If there are any persistent loose fibers, use a small pair of sharp scissors to carefully trim them away, giving your circle a neat and polished appearance. Your handmade wool circle is now beautifully complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.